Hi, and welcome to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. My name is Andrea Carlson, and today I'm going to do just a quick review on a very popular style by Jon Renau. Her name is KRISTEN, and I'm wearing the color Martini, which is color number 101F48T. KRISTEN is designed with traditional synthetic fibers. She offers a lace front hairline and an open wefted cap. She does have Velcro adjusters in the back for a more personalized fit. KRISTEN's back is 7.5 inches long. The crown is 10.5 inches long. Her sides are 7 inches long, and the nape is 3.5 inches long. She weighs 3.7 ounces. If you're looking for a sister style for KRISTEN, you might also try KRISTEN by Jon Renau. KRISTEN is a very similar style. She's designed with a fully hand-tied cap, a single monofilament top, and a lace front. Here is a look at the inside of KRISTEN's cap. She is going to have some permatease up here. There's a lace front hairline allowing you to pull the fibers back up off your face. She's got felt ear tabs. She is open wefted. There is no extended nape here. She does have Velcro adjusters on each side for a more personalized fit. Here is an up close and quick look at this beautiful color Martini. Thank you again for joining me for this quick review on KRISTEN by Jon Renau. If you have any questions, please feel free to email our support team at support@wigstudio1.com. You can also head over to wigstudio1.com to check out this style, KRISTEN, her sister style, and all of the different colors that she is available in. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.